Hey everyone, it's Jenny, and I know I haven't been filming as much lately, but been kind of busy, been a little hectic, but hopefully after the new year, I'll get the ball rolling a little bit more. But this just came today. I was super shocked it got here so fast. This was a birthday present for me. My birthday is tomorrow. It's December the 6th, so I'm filming this on December the 5th. My husband actually got me two Jeffree Star mystery boxes. He got me the small and the medium box. So the small box came today. I'm like, what? So here it is, the Black Friday Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery boxes. I know I did the Halloween mystery box. I love mystery boxes. I love the idea of mystery boxes. It's just kind of fun. You don't know what's inside. It's a mystery. So I love the cute packaging. Definitely Christmas theme. Perfect for Black Friday. So let's see what's inside, shall we? This has 3 items. I think the deluxe had, was it deluxe? 5 items. And the premium was 7 or 8 items. I can't remember. The smaller box was $20 though. And it's supposed to have a $47 retail. So let's open it up and see. Ooh, I see some green tissue paper. And let's see what we got here. We got some lipsticks. This right here is one of the lip ammunitions. And this is in androgyny. And of course, I love the little bullet packaging. Very nice. And this is the shade androgyny. I'm kind of on the fence. I mean, it seems like I would like to try it to see how it looks on me. And of course, cute packaging. So I don't have a lot of Jeffree Star Cosmetics makeup. I know I got a few from that unboxing that I did on the Halloween mystery box. So we've got another lip item, and this is Pussy Whipped. This is one of the velour liquid lipsticks. And let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that kind of looks like the one I got. I'm not sure if it's the same exact shade. I think this is a little bit different than the one I got. It looks a little bit darker than the one in the Halloween mystery box. So there should be one more item in here. Let's see what it is. What? Okay. So I thought this was like the bottom of the packaging, but it's not. We've got stickers. I'm not sure how I feel about that being a mystery box. I'd much rather have another lipstick. It's got, you know, the Can't Relate. It's got the Blue Blooded, like all Jeffree Star themed stickers. Beauty Killer, Jeffree Star approved. I mean, these are cute, and I could definitely see if I was younger, I would probably, if I was in high school, put these on a notebook, or I don't know, you know, stickers. Is anybody a little bit disappointed? Is it just me? Like, Jeffree, stickers? Stickers? The tea, sis. There's a cup of tea and it says the tea, sis. The tea, sis. This isn't it right here. Some stickers. That's a little bit, I'm a little bit disappointed. A little bit disappointed, not gonna lie. So let me know if you got any mystery boxes, if you've got them yet. I know they weren't going to ship for like 10 days. You know, I knew they were going to sell out. There's going to be a lot of orders, whatnot. So tell me what you think. I mean, I like getting the lipsticks, but the stickers is a little bit disappointing, I must say. So hopefully you give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you here. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.